Okay, here's another problem where we want to rewrite the equation in standard form. It looks like we're starting off in vertex form here. And so basically what the steps that we need to follow are is we're going to have to first expand our binomial squared. And then we're going to multiply some stuff together. And then we're just going to really combine any like terms that there are. So really it just boils down to those three steps. So let's go ahead and get started here. And I'm going to first start with expanding. So I'm going to keep the -2 the same where it's at, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this x plus 5 squared. So remember that means x plus 5 times x plus 5. And then I'm going to, of course, keep that -4 kind of carried down through this thing. Next, what I like to do is I like to kind of focus on the binomials, multiplying those two together first. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to multiply the x plus 5's together. So let's just kind of keep that -2 on the outside. And when I double distribute, I have an x times an x times a 5, 5 times an x, and a 5 times a 5. So that's going to give me x squared, and then plus 5x, and then plus another 5x, and then plus 25. And a -4. I'm going to move this combined guy over here. There we go. The power of technology. Okay, so there's my -4. Now let's see, let's combine these like terms in here, clean it up a little bit before I distribute that -2. And I've got an x squared plus 10x plus 25. Close that up, and then I've got my -4. All right, so now let's distribute that -2 or that -2 to these three terms. And let's see what we get next. We have y equals -2x squared, and then a -20x, and then a -50, and this -4 carries down too. So now we're just going to combine these terms here, and that's going to be our last step. So y is going to equal 2x squared, or rather -2x squared, minus 20x, minus 54. There's my standard form equation. I can clearly see what my a value is, my b value, my c value. Nothing else can be multiplied together, so I am done.